tonight, the National Weather Service is telling boaters to stay off the water for a lake wind advisory stretching from today into tomorrow. It's an advisory with new weight in the aftermath of the Lake Tahoe boating tragedy. Lake Tahoe time-lapse video showing the surface of the alpine lake swirling during windy conditions strong enough the National Weather Service issued an urgent advisory. Small boats, kayaks, and paddleboards will be prone to capsizing and should remain off the water until conditions improve.
Are you seeing any sense of maybe extra precaution?
Yeah, I'm seeing a lot of the operators, they're taking more heed to the warnings of lake wind advisories.
Christopher Kearse has worked on Lake Tahoe for decades and owns a boat salvage and recovery company. Kearse helped move a dozen capsized boats in the aftermath of last month's extreme storm that turned the lake into a danger zone.
So I got my crew together, we went over, and it was chaos.
8 people died when their boat was suddenly caught in 8-foot waves.
Really feel for the people that had the loss of life. That was really tragic.
The deadly day due to extreme winds in a fast-moving storm. Now, as strong winds return, an opportunity to learn from the Lake Tahoe tragedy.
It's real humbling to know that something like that really can happen that fast, and just something to always be aware of and always have in the back of our heads now.
That's for sure. Now, this is the second wind advisory the National Weather Service has issued for Lake Tahoe since that deadly storm. The first one was actually on the 4th of July when a barge was destroyed, sinking and canceling the Tahoe fireworks show.